Spices. So in today's video, we are going to be cooking some frozen shrimp in the air fryer. So let's go spice things up.
What we have right here is some raw shrimp, some frozen shrimp. You're gonna just open this bag and put your shrimp in a bowl. Next, we are adding some oil. I'm using avocado oil, and you can use whatever kind you want. And then just mix it. You can mix it with a spoon, with your hands, whatever. Just make sure it is evenly coated all over your shrimp. Next, you want to add some seasonings of your choice. I am using these seasonings. I got them from our friends at FreshJax. A 15% off coupon code will be in the description box below. First off, some mesquite lime. Generous amount. Some chili powder. And some citrus pepper. Toss them together so all the shrimp is evenly coated with the spices. Next, you want to add your shrimp to your air fryer basket and make sure you spread it out just so that it's a nice airflow. Next, you want to put your shrimp into the air fryer at 400 for 5 minutes. Let's open it up. Ooh, they're looking pretty good. So now what we want to do is we will want to turn these all over. Let's put them back in. Once again at 400 for 5 minutes. Time to take a look. Ooh, ooh, ooh. These babies look good. Wish I had better lighting. There we go. And another thing is I just checked the internal temperature. You want to make sure the internal temperature is at least 120, and it definitely is. So these are done and ready to eat.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, and see you in the next video.